sound on the flute, pull your normal face, but look a little bit sad. So if you relax your bottom lip like this, and then let your bottom lip flop over the hole a little bit. Pretend you're a goldfish, and you make the sound when your lips push together. So you go, so the top lip pushes down on the bottom lip. And I blow across the hole. So when I blow it, roll it in and out, you can hear the best sound is when you blow across the hole. So relax your bottom lip, relax your bottom lip over the hole a little bit, push your top lip down on your bottom lip, blow across the hole.